Welcome to my channel at Happily Ever Yachty. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. It's 2 a.m. and this is Sorrento's Pizza. It is the party after the party, guys, here. So we're just waiting for pizza because as you see, it's all gone. And that's what I want. Two cheese. Oh, can I have that other side? Thank you. Oh, hold on 1 second. Let's make it the cheese. Thank you. 2 cheese pizza. Because you can't get enough. But look at this. It is a party at night. After, like, you get out of the clubs and drinking, everybody comes to the promenade and ends up their night here. Like, we've had some great times at Sorrento's Pizza. Guys, I did so good in the casino. We went to Bolero's for a little bit. We went to this amazing show. And then I went to the casino and I won some money, almost $1,000. All right, and of course, the Cafe Promenade, it's not that happening at night because it's coffee and stuff. But I'm coming here to eat peacefully. Hello, how are you? I'm just coming to get some lemonade.
Wow, beautiful, lovely.
So yes, I'm in the promenade because I'm alone. Isati's and Pa knocked out. But I wanted to finish it off with a little pizza and a little lemonade. And guys, look at my money. Hold on, I have it here. All these crisp, nice $100 bills. They're all sticking together. But look at this. Oh my God, I get to pay off a credit card. It's all going to my lounge flies. Yeah, and to this new gimbal I bought and stuff. So yeah. Guys, I'm up over 400 and I just went to 32. Oh my goodness, what a night. Goodness, guys. 57.25 at 5 times, guys. Oh my goodness. But here's the Sorrento's Pizza. Oh my God, guys, it's so good. It's really, really hot. It just came out of the oven. But anyway, this was a great little mini vacation. We had a great night on the first night. Today we got to go to Cococay and had dinner at the Mason Jar, which was really cool. So look at that. We have the jalapeno cornbread and this biscuit, which I want the biscuit. And the honey butter sounds good, but that's our first little serving. Let's try it out. That is so good. Oh, wow. And as I mentioned, we went and did a little dancing. Pictures. Amazing ice skating show. The whole ice skating show, but of course it was I didn't expect it to be like that copyrighted music, which is big time. So I'm gonna see if I can put other music on top of it and maybe do a premiere to show you guys, because the entertainment here is just out of this world. But yeah, it was so much fun. Thank you always for coming on my journey and watching with me. Let's try this pizza. It is so good. You know what would be really fun if we did, and I know like the cruising part of YouTube, they do like cruise meetups. Oh my gosh, that would be so fun. But yeah, thank you so much again for watching. You know I love you, and remember, reach out and find your happily ever after. Love you guys.